So welcome, ladies and gentlemen, on the Uri side of the Susten Pass with the Queen. Lovely greetings from windy Andermatt, and today I'm participating with Supercar Owners Circle. And yeah, I want to say the scene is pretty much unique because they managed to close some portion of the roads just for us. I mean, how insane it is. As a Swiss guy, I know that some similar things are extremely difficult to accomplish in Switzerland, so props to them. Even some race cars are going to be allowed to drive on those roads. So once, I think, in a lifetime opportunity, and I'm super excited to see what the Queen can do. I already installed all my cameras and gears, and I'm going to show you how it works in the background. So a 360 camera, first external microphone to take the exhaust sound, then you have an internal microphone inside the engine bay to catch all the wastegate sound, turbo sound, etc. And all this is actually linked to a little recorder. Then you have another camera from very lovely angle on the front. And lastly, first time I'm trying that, I installed the camera inside the engine bay to try to record my footwork. Really looking forward, I think it's going to be amazing. Hopefully we'll see some nice little flames. And just a quick look at other participant cars. So we have a lovely Bugatti. Here we have a lovely Competizione with absolutely beautiful specs. Man, this matte carbon fiber is just incredible. Super nice. Lovely. Bella. And I also love the spec of this 296 carbon fibers wheel. I don't know what kind of green it is, but it looks beautiful. With the pack Assetto Fiorano, looks super nice. This one is also such a beauty. Wow. 911 GD. Yeah, completely emptied. What a lovely car. And you can see also that the paint is exceptionally thin. I'm not too sure if you will see it in the camera, but beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And these guys, this is just insane. I still don't know how they really managed to close all those roads. And if anyone from the community of Andermatt sees that, watch that, know that you are an absolute legend for, agreeing to let us drive the car on small portions of the road a bit more freely and close it for us. Just epic. So yeah, now let's jump on board. As this is the close section part, I will not do a commentary, but I will mainly focus on the driving. And yeah, see you later. So we just finished what I believe to be one of my most epic drives in Switzerland ever. And look at the spot we are right now. Incredible. With the other participant arriving. Another F40. So cool. So cool. Now we can just appreciate the insane lineup of cars. Look at this, wow, super cool. That's so crazy. Beautiful 296, yes. I don't think it could be any better than this. Incredible. My little F40. Such an epic ride. Incredible. Bugatti. Lovely CGT. One of the biggest regrets of my life because these cars 4 years ago they were kind of affordable. Which number is that? 148. Crazy cool. Lovely Porsche again. Look at the style of this one. I don't think it can be more perfect than this. Speechless. Also a beautiful Super America. So nice. I actually like the details in carbon here. 100% the most beautiful Porsche here, the Singer. Like, details are absolutely insane. So nice. And the size of the wheels, wow. So crazy. And that's the style. So far, first day, incredible day. Yeah, let's see tomorrow. I think it will be even more epic.
The next day.
So I'm not too sure you will hear me properly because the car is quite loud. We are quite in a nice convoy at the moment with a CGT just in front and a Bugatti just behind. Quite crazy. And I have to say the CGT just sounds insane. Some cheering up from the bikers, always nice. So it's quite special to drive an F40 because first you can feel that the car is extremely light on the steering wheel. How it steers, it's quite incredible. The sound then is something extremely special. It makes this sound that is quite unique. You don't have that in any other Ferraris, and yeah, that's why this car is so special. And yeah, the drive this morning with the road closed for us was just, I think yeah, a blessing. So you can say it the way it is. So yeah, as you can see, we are heading towards Houston. We'll do a little break up there, and yeah, hopefully we'll have a lot of fun. so crazy cool. Wow. And we are using an F40 as a media car, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. When I was waiting at the red light, this happened. Imagine one of these things falling on the car. That would have been far from ideal for me. Anyway, I got a little lucky this time, so let's jump back into the video. Incredible! Incredible! CGT plus F40 in the tunnel. Can it get any better than this? Wow! That's a symphony. That's so cool. So nice, so cool. Unfortunately, the traffic is a bit huge today on Houston, so yeah, we're taking care. Actually, we can see that some cyclists have surrendered. So welcome, ladies and gentlemen, on the Uri side of the Houston Pass with the Queen. I don't think it can be any better. So cool. And we are following a CGT. So nice. That's my favorite side, really, of the Houston Pass. I don't think it can be any better than this. CGT 360 CS. So nice. On board of the F40 and followed by your Bugatti. So cool. Unbelievable day. So it's already the end of the event. It was quite crazy. I'm super sorry if I couldn't film a proper, commentary drive yesterday, but traffic was so big. And yeah, the roads were filled with like cyclists, motorcycle, caravan, cars, people, and yeah, the conditions were not like, I would say, ideal for me to film any like reaction drives or something like that. Also, the authorities from Canton Uri are so nice and let's say kind towards Supercars. So yeah, so happy. What a weekend. The weather was just perfect. Taking some last cool pictures of the Queen in front of the jetty. Yeah, super happy. Can't wait to actually go back home, export all the clips and see how they look like. I think it will be so cool. And yeah, thank you so much for being with me. Sorry if I'm like not the most professional YouTuber ever, and sorry about also the wind noise. I'm trying to do my best as always, and yeah, I would like to be a bit more present on YouTube. It's quite difficult because it takes a lot of time to basically film and record and then edit and then upload a YouTube video, and social media is just not my main work at the moment. I'm very busy also in my private life and private activities. So yeah, take care and see you next time. Ciao.